Yes, good morning class. Welcome to your GK class. Today we are going to study a peek into Indian history and that is chapter 8. Now what do you mean by a peek into the Indian history? It is a glance to the Indian history. That means we need to take the glance in the Indian history. So now without any delay, let's start with the work. Yeah. Now this is a quiz. Basically this is a quiz and there are few questions related to the quiz that we need to solve. So here the quiz says, famous poet of the third Tamil Sangam to whom Lord Shiv appeared, and it is Nakiran. The right answer is Nakirar. And Nakirar was a famous poet who worshipped Lord Shiv, and in South they call him Murugam. Lord Shiv is known as that name. So he worshipped, it's believed that he worshipped him so with a fair heart that Lord Shiv appeared before him. The next question that we are going to see, the next question is the founder of Khilji dynasty. Yes, and it is, I suppose you all know this. Obviously, you have read and saw in the movies also. It's Jalaluddin Khilji. Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji is the right answer. So kindly just write it down. I would be sending you the PDF of the right answer. You can copy down at that time also. The next is a magnificent gate building by Alauddin Khilji in Qutub Minar complex is known as. This is Alai Darwaza. It was made by Alauddin Khilji and it is just the entrance of the complex. So it is Alai Darwaza. The next question is the state of Mewar was re-established by. The right answer is Hamir. Hamir was the person who re-established the state of Mewar. Then the next question, that is question number 5. Indraprasth, Hastinapur, Lalkot, Shahjahanabad and Delhi are the ancient names of which modern day city. So definitely you can understand Indraprasth, Hastinapur, Lalkot and all these names are the place, all these are the name of Delhi which is the capital of India. These were the ancient name of Delhi. The next question says, just a second. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Act was passed in, and the right answer is 1856. This act was drafted by Lord Dalhousie and was passed by Lord Canning. Now let's move to question number 8. The Puhar was founded by. It is a place that was founded by Chola king and his name was Karikala. He was a popular Chola ruler who founded the city of Puhar in 1st century BC. Now it is known as Kaveri Patnam. This place is now known as Kaveri Patnam and it is in Tamil Nadu. So the right answer, as I suppose we have written, it is a Chola king Karikala. I would be giving you the PDF of the answers, so just don't worry. First go through the video. Then the next question, that is question number 8, is the first telegram line from Kolkata to Agra was opened in, and the right answer is 1854. This line was opened by East India Company so that their communication could be established easily and they can communicate easily. The next answer is, the next question, that is question number 9, is the Great Bathtub had been founded at. The Great Bathtub was founded at the time of discovery of Indus Valley. So it is in Mohenjo-daro. this great bathtub is located in Mohenjo-daro. It was discovered at the time when the Indus Valley civilization was discovered. Question number 10. The Mahabharata was originally known as, the first name of Mahabharata was Jaya or Jayam. Mahabharata is also known with these two names. Raghuvansham describes the ideals and values of Lord. Raghuvansham, you can derive from the name Raghuvansham. It is related to Lord Ram, and so it represents the value and ideals of Lord Ram. So the right answer would be Lord Ram. The right answer for the 11th point is Lord Ram. Let's move to the 12th point. The 12th point says the famous Hazara temple is dedicated to. Again, the famous Hazara temple is built in Hampi. It is in Hampi, and it was built by the King Vijayanagara Deveri II. And this temple is built in the remembrance of Lord Ram. That is, this temple was built to worship Lord Ram. So the right answer here again is Lord Ram. The Universal Brotherhood was emphasized by. This was emphasized by the famous Guru, Sikh Guru or Sikh Lord, you can say it is Guru Nanak. The right answer is Guru Nanak. The Black Hole tragedy took place in, and the right answer is Kolkata. Postage stamp were introduced in India by. Again, this was done by Lord Dalhousie. The right answer is Lord Dalhousie. All these things were developed, all this kind of development was done by the British East India Company for their own welfare, for own they could. But these all things did affected our country and happened for the good of the country. Now let's move to the third last, that is 16th one. The slogan of Mahatma Gandhi is, the slogan of Mahatma Gandhi was do or die. 17th one. The Indian struggle is the autobiography of, this is an autobiography of Subhash Chandra Bose. So the right answer here is Subhash Chandra Bose. And again one more question from Indus Valley civilization. The principal food of Indus Valley people was, the Indus Valley people were, the principal food of Indus Valley people was wheat. The climate, the situation to grow wheat, wheat was very suitable, and so it was the prime crop and was the principal food of Indus Valley civilization, people living in Indus Valley. So here we completed the chapter. This was chapter number 8, a peek to Indian history. Go through the video. I am sending you the PDF of the answer so that you can copy it down correctly. Till then, have a good day and take care. Thank you.